Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy Holi on behalf of IT Voice team. In today's news, we will be covering news about Kaspersky detects 75,000 financial phishing attempts in India in 2023. Schneider Electric inaugurates cooling factory in Bangalore, India. itel launches Icon 3 smartwatch with AMOLED display and Bluetooth calling. DigiCert releases 2024 State of Digital Trust Survey in APAC. Tenable expand cloud security capabilities for Kubernetes. Dynatrace named leaders in GigaOm radar report for cloud observability solutions. Chirpley joins NVIDIA Inception to transform influencer marketplace with AI and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Kaspersky's anti-phishing technologies detected 75,000 financial phishing attempts targeting businesses in India in 2023. Phishing attempts mainly related to finance matters like e-commerce, banking, and payment systems. Cybercriminals use social engineering schemes to obtain valuable information such as social media logins and identity details. Rise of generative AI has facilitated creation of more convincing phishing messages, contributing to prevalence of financial phishing. Kaspersky experts recommend enhancing decision makers' understanding of cybersecurity, consulting experts to identify security gaps, and installing enterprise security solutions to prevent potentially dangerous activities. Schneider Electric opens new cooling factory in Bangalore, India to develop innovative cooling solutions for data center ecosystems. Factory spans approximately 6.5 acres and represent an investment of rupees 100 crore. 85% of products manufactured will be exported, contributing to data center segment, building industry and infrastructure. Factory produces latest generation cooling system for data center hall, enhancing cost and energy efficiency. Schneider Electric's mission is to empower all to make the most of their energy and resources, fostering India's data center ecosystem and creating job opportunities. itel launches Icon 3 smartwatch featuring 2.01-inch AMOLED display with 500 nits brightness and premium zinc alloy watch frame. Smartwatch offers single-chip Bluetooth calling, dual-side keys with functional crown, and seamless connectivity, available for pre-booking on Amazon with a special discount offer for first 500 customers. Also available in retail outlets, Icon 3 features captivating display, long-lasting battery, 24-hour health monitoring, and stylish design in multiple color options. itel expands presence in over 50 emerging markets globally, focusing on combining cutting-edge technology with trendy design. DigiCert publishes 2024 State of Digital Trust Survey in APAC, highlighting growing divide between organizations implementing digital trust and those struggling. Survey reveals top 33% digital trust leaders enjoy higher revenue, better digital innovation, and higher employee productivity. Leaders experience fewer issues due to software trust mishaps and are better prepared for post-quantum cryptography and benefits of IoT. Survey underscores a strong focus on digital trust in APAC, driven by factors like remote work surge, increasing customer demand, and expanding threat landscape. Enterprises urged to prioritize digital trust as a strategic imperative to thrive in dynamic environment. Tenable enhances Tenable Cloud Security Cloud Native Application Protection Platform (CNAPP) capabilities for Kubernetes in on-premises and public cloud environments. New features extend contextual risk visibility, preventive security control, and zero trust class privilege enforcement to Kubernetes. Tenable Cloud Security simplifies technical risk data into plain language, providing comprehensive visibility and actionable intelligence. Kubernetes features enable scalable visibility across deployment, preventive security control, and elimination of long-standing privileges. Tenable named Cloud 100 company earlier this year, focusing on providing comprehensive cloud security solutions. Dynatrace recognized as leader in 2024 GigaOm radar report for cloud observability solutions, outperforming all other providers. Report highlights importance of cloud observability solutions like Dynatrace in managing growing cloud complexity. Dynatrace Davis hypermodal AI engine combines casual and predictive AI with new Davis Copilot generative AI capabilities, boosting productivity and enabling data-driven decisions. Role of generative AI and large language models (LLMs) emphasized in bridging observability and intelligence. Dynatrace leadership in cloud observability solutions acknowledged for technical capabilities, innovation, and execution ability. Chirpley joins NVIDIA Inception program focusing on transforming influencer marketplace with AI technologies. Chirpley automates peer-to-peer influencer marketplace leveraging AI for tailored matchmaking. NVIDIA Inception offers resources, advanced technology assistance, and AI hardware expertise to startups like Chirpley. Chirpley plans to collaborate with industry-leading experts and AI-driven organizations to enhance its offerings. NVIDIA Inception supports startups during critical stages of product development, prototyping, and deployment, providing ongoing benefits and technology assistance. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hey, have you heard that Google is offering free courses on AI? Generative Learning Path. Transform your business with artificial intelligence. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Generative AI training. ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers. AI for everyone. Responsible AI overview. Generative AI for everyone. Introduction to Generative AI Studio. Go and enroll fast to upskill yourself in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence.